Okay, hey guys, Brian here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to go over what is in my portfolio and what I did to make around like 951 bucks on the day. And it was a really easy plays that I have in my portfolio. I strictly do the wheel strategy right now, and that's because I have a certain amount of money and I don't really feel like doing anything that could put me at risk for some losses. And that leads me into a comment saying, like, a lot of people that talk about the wheel strategy, where you get a lot of comments where we're not talking about like risk mitigation. I actually talk about it a lot on here, and a lot of people say I'm being too risky with my Tesla plays, and that's okay to me because yeah, I bought a few hundred shares at 400 and the stock could drop below it. So what would you do? You could still do covered calls, just obviously you'd be below your cost basis, and that puts you at risk for selling at a loss. But if you're looking at the deltas, looking at the news, you're pretty much making all the decisions based off of that. And if, like, say the stock price does go towards your strike price on the way back up from wherever it dropped to, you could always roll it up, roll it out, still collect premium. You could do that. Or if you already have the shares and you don't, you're too afraid to sell covered calls below your cost basis, you could just hold the shares until they recover, and then you could start again then. Like, there's a lot of ways to mitigate the risk here, and it just matters on how you play with your money, how you invest your money, how you want to use your money. But that's what I want to get at a little bit, because I always see comments where it's like people just saying whatever they want to say, that no one's ever telling the truth or whatever. Like, I'm here to give you 100% truth of what I'm doing. That's why I show my portfolio on here. That's why I tell you what I do for a living. I'm a nurse, and like this is what I do. So um let's go right into my desktop and I'll show you the plays that I did, and we'll go from there. So here we are. If it went there, oh, if it went there. So here we are. These are my plays in my regular brokerage account that I show, my public ones, right? Sitting at only 80,000 bucks. The goal is to get this up to 100 to 150 by the end of the year, and I believe I could actually do that. It's not that hard to do. So what I did do here is I had a Tesla option play that was due this week, expiring this week at 410, and I rolled it up to 420 for next week and actually got paid for that. And now I get to pretty much collect the appreciation of from 400 to 420, and that's a lot of money. That's like $1,000, $2,000, because it's 20 bucks per share. 20 times 100, 2,000 bucks. I get to collect that if Tesla stock price goes past the 420 next Friday. And obviously, if it gets really close, I could always potentially roll it again another week, or I could just take the winnings off the table and just collect my 40 plus thousand bucks and be on the cash secured put side and go from there. What I also did was I did a put on Palantir, sold a put for Palantir at 69 strike price, and that paid me around 250 bucks, something like that. 260 bucks. So it's like easy plays like this that just grow your portfolio. And that's what I try to teach here, just like cash secured puts, covered calls. Make everything as easy as you want to make it. And I don't see like a point in making trading very hard or hard to follow. So I'm been doing this over and over again for the last few years, and that's how I've been able to double that specific portfolio. Last year was only like 35,000 bucks, and then over the year I got it to 77, and then now it's the start of the year. And now it's only at 80, and that's because it was a lot higher, but I ended up buying back a lot of options, like covered calls that I put out way too far. Like I made a few mistakes, and I'll own up to that. So that's what I did. So that's why I'm like pretty much like back at 80, like the start of the year. But that's okay with me because now I feel like I evened it out, and I'm gonna do what I have to do to make as much money possible. And one of the ones that I'm probably gonna let expire and let my stocks get called away is my Coinbase play. Even though I think it's gonna go up a lot, I only have 100 shares of it, so I feel like I could do more with my money if I put that into like Nvidia, Palantir, or more Tesla. But I have till Friday to figure out if I want to roll this January 24 265 covered call to like further out, or I could just stay with Coinbase and just do cash secured puts on the way down. Like I do feel like crypto is going to go up in value, and thus Coinbase will go up. So that's my thought process on that. Like maybe I should just take some of the gains off the table and just be happy with it, and then go on the cash secured put side and keep it going, you know? So that's what I've been doing. And obviously, if you want to learn more about how I'm doing these trades, what I'm trading, you could check out my Discord. And I'm also partnering up with someone where we're making a Discord, a public one as well. So like you don't need to even go into my paid Discord. You could go to the public one where I'm posting trades on there, because I will be partnering with a friend of mine that does a lot of selling for premiums as well. Like the whole point of us being on YouTube and on social media is to show you guys how you could build a pretty safe portfolio and grow it pretty fast. Fast in the sense of safely, and fast doesn't really go well together, but pretty safe, pretty passive, and faster than just like buying and holding. Like we're not really buying for options for like home runs. We're buying it to make base hits and just to keep going and keep going, and make more money from there. So let me know what you guys think about this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Peace.